Hi, I'm here to give you a speech about world peace. One world, one creator. This is the name of a system to unite religions and people under common ground to work together for humanity, peace and unity. Also provide easy work environment. And I would like to say also, I don't have any expectation for any donation for this work. I expect from the people only work for the world peace. People never have peaceful life by the development of individually. Please listen carefully. People never have peaceful life by the development of individually or their family or their community or their nation, because whole world is like one human body. If one part of the body having pain, whole body will be affected. This is not a philosophy. This is logically and practically proved. As in any place in the world, any serious disease or bacterial effect is coming, then whole world become alert. Because if they will not stop them, whole world will be affected. Similar way, in the society, if a person is doing crime or taking drugs or alcohol, then if we will not stop them, they will affect more people. One day, whole world will be affected. World environment is against for the peace work. Environment has very important role to do anything in easy way. This organization has a system to work together with all the religion, people and nation for world peace and give proper environment to create interest in every individual to do the peace work. This system doesn't have any office or any place. It has only website and my lecture on YouTube. I have taken responsibility to develop the and promote this system as per my convenience, and I am requesting to the people, please study this system properly, discuss with me and with the people to do the peace work for world peace. Important note before doing the work as per this system. I don't want any donation, and this system doesn't have any donation collection account. I am not working to be famous or get reward. I am working for my time and money. And also requesting to the people to work from your time and money. And also advise to the people, don't work to be famous to get reward. Peace is necessary of every individual. So we should work as our very important work to alive and survive in the world. This system is presented by Muhammad Imran Nauman, myself, and I have explained about the first page of the system, and this website name is www.oneworldoncreator.org. Email ID owc909@gmail.com. After the first page, you will find on the second page the headlines. That means index. I am not going to read here whole pages. Whatever the important things to make you understand, I am going to read this one, and the details is available on the website. So if my word, if this system you have liked, so you can go to our website and read properly and start the work. The headlines is total nine numbers, and I'm reading here about the headlines. The content of this organization has divided into 9 headlines and presented in sequence. It is very important to understand and to work understand and system to work is available in headline number 7. System also divided into 4 steps to understand easily. That means 7 number is the pure system, and in this system is divided into the 4 steps to do the work easily. Headline number 1: why work for humanity, peace and unity is required. Number 2: present situation of the world. Number 3: why the peace has not established instead of huge development in technology, system and facility. Number 4: peace and humanity can establish if we have unity, and this unity is not possible without knowledge about our Creator. That knowledge is mentioned in our religion. When I am coming to the sequence, you can understand what I am going to say. Instead of religion, their followers, their books and platform is available. But why the condition of peace and humanity is very bad? Headline number 6. Then here is question: what we should do? There are much religion, then how to work together with one goal of world peace? Headline number 7. System of one world, one creator. To do peace work for self, family and society under common ground. Headline number 8. About the founder. Headline number 9. Disclaimer. So here I would like to explain the headline number 1. And the headline number 1 tells why work for humanity, peace and unity is required. See, as per the situation of the world, it will be happen anytime. Many people will be killed by the criminal due to war and communal rights. Women will face huge problem by force sent to the prostitution and become prisoner for lifetime, and tortured or killed for dowry. Many old age parents will be alone and helpless. without the care from his children. Much deadly crime, cyber crime, cheating and stealing will be happen, and due to this people will face big problem, lose everything whatever they earn, and their life whatever they have earned in their life, and become poor and helpless. Any natural disaster will come due to climate change, and people will be suffered and become helpless. Many people will be helpless in jail, in hospital, and in other place inside the world. The suffered people of above mentioned problems could be you, your mother, your father, your family, your relatives, anyone. Our Creator has given us very beautiful world, and beauty coming from humanity, peace and unity. But whatever bad situation are available in the world, we are responsible for that, because we become separated in the name of religion, community and nation. If we will not be serious, then world situation will be very bad and very difficult to survive. Before situation come to you, spend few hours daily to work for the humanity, peace and unity. Now I am going directly to the headline number 6. Headline number 2, 3, 4, 5 you can see, you can read in our website. Now headline number 6. What we should do? There are much religion, then how to work together with one goal of world peace? This organization has prepared the discipline of work and message to convince the people with help of religions and general sense of logical and practical, to convince whole world people with similar message, whether people belong to different religion and community and ideology. It will be easy to understand and easy to work on this. This is headline number 6. Now I am going to explain about headline number 7. This is the system. System of discipline of work. One world, one creator. This is the name of the system, to do peace work for self, family, society under common ground. This system has only 4 steps. Only 4 steps. A, B, C, D. Follow the steps. It will make your work very easy. System A. Plan to expend few hours daily to work for the world peace under the system of one world, one creator. To do anything, first of all, you have to prepare yourself. If your mind and body is not giving support, if you are not in the peace, how you will work for the others? So plan and prepare for yourself to do the peace work for world peace. Every day at least 1 hour, 2 hours, you have to prepare time to give for the world peace. System step B. self development for humanity and peace work. First, you have done the plan, thinking. Then, after you have planned, you have to prepare yourself. Do daily practice yourself, read books about these topics mentioned below. Deeply think to create, believe that you must die anytime and you came in the world to die, not to live permanently. Don't love with the world because this is not your permanent destination. Live in this world like a passenger of vehicle who carry the goods to travel only. Number 2, deeply think that who made you? Why made you? Where you will go after the death? From where you came before your birth? Number 3, deeply think to believe in your Creator who made you and given all the things in the world to help and support to human being, to alive and survive. Taking education of religion, yourself to understand your responsibility in the world for humanity, peace and unity. Prayer to make, concentrate to believe in our Creator, bring humanity and peace in the world to work for humanity, peace and unity. Correct the individual life. Work among the family, fix daily time and place to give a speech for humanity, peace and unity. Work among the society for humanity, peace and unity. Now, system step A is completed, B is completed, A is plan, B is self-development, and C is about work to provide education among the society for humanity, peace and unity. System step C. Work to provide education among the society for humanity, peace and unity. Do daily practice on this topic mentioned below. Find the location in your place. Second, first is find the location, building, society, school, colleges, university, government and private offices and institutions, and inside there arrange a place and time to work for humanity, peace and unity. Second part, invite the people. Invite the people to come to that place. Number 3, educate the people. Number 4, planning and organizing to educate the people. As per this system, I have divided into 3 types. I have divided the people in 3 types as per this system. First type of people is normal people who will work for this organization, who will support to this organization. Second type of people is addicted people. Addicted with alcohol, with drugs, with anything. So convince them is very difficult task. And third type of people is for the people who involve such a business which is affecting bad in the society. Means to convince the first type of people has to distribute the responsibility, schedule the program daily, weekly, monthly and yearly, program for speech, program of discussion, how to implement and get solution for the humanity and peace and unity. For the addicted people, we have to rehabilitate very politely and don't make them prisoner, give open environment in the society. When people will get together to do this work, the more solution will come after starting the work. For the people who involve such a business which is affecting bad in the society, convince to this kind of people, or you are working for the peace, and whatever things you are going to stop, like if you are going to stop gutka, then supplier of gutka will be against you. If you are going to stop some illegal things, their businessman will disturb to you. So we have to provide the substitute source of income. If through that business if with that business all the economy is involved, their financial condition, some social economy is involved, so then find out such a solution so no one get disturbed for this work. We can get help from researchers of economists and finance advisors, scholars and social workers to get solution to their financial condition, to get solution so their financial condition should not be affected. More and more people is affected doing the business of illegal, which is affecting the society. So in a small level and in upper level, convincing those people is required that we have to provide them substitute source of income with the help of people unity, with the help of government. If direct we will stop, they are in our society more than 50% of people is involved in somewhere. So like 2 and 3% people is going to stop them, convince them, so they will affect badly on this system. So do this work very politely, and if people slowly will be involved in this work, some people will surrender if they feel the environment is going to be very good. If they will feel that, if bad people will feel that in this environment they are secure, whether they are getting billion through the illegal way, but they will come in the society, if the society will become a family for them, if the society is going to respect them, going to welcome them, either a small level people who is doing the illegal work or other people who is doing the illegal work on high level, all will come to support this organization. But we have to start the work. If somebody is leaving their place, illegal thing, we have to rehabilitate. We have to give some substitute source of income. We have to support with our emotion. We have to welcome, not to send jail, not to file case against him. We have to welcome in the society. So again they can start their life in right way. Now I am coming to the system step number D. Work to help the society to the suffered and needy people by physically or by financial support. Just giving the lecture is not solution. Just giving the education is not solution. Important thing is giving the support also. If in our society some people is sick or having financial problem, don't have house, very poor, begging, means lot of huge problem with the people in our society. So, but some people don't have money to eat something, but some people having 5-story, 10-story building, 10 building, and again they are doing some more business. So this is totally unbalanced. If you are rich and you have money that your 10 generation without doing anything they can eat. So stop till that point and start doing some social work. Some people don't have house and some another people having very costly things they are putting inside the house, buying very costly furniture, decorating their house. So reduce some amount and make a house for the poor people also. Economy is total unbalanced. One is very down, another is very up. Make the parallel. We can make. Then crime will reduce. So, by the physically and by the financially, when you work for the financially, if someone will help others by financially support, he has to do directly, not to give anyone inside the organization. So before I have explained that this organization doesn't have any account to collect the donation, and I don't want any financial support. If people want to support to anyone by the financially, he can support directly and has to discuss the matter with the people as per the situation, has to handle. So they can do a lot of things in the society. Stop fighting with the people among the family and society, cleaning the society and your area, security of your society. Women to rehabilitate who is doing prostitution by the force of someone, old age people who don't have someone to care to them. Help to the children who are doing servant work, and their honor if honor is behaving like a father mother, then okay, otherwise must help to educate those kind of children. Helping to the helpless people who doesn't have any one for their helping to the helpless people who doesn't have anyone for their small work of his daily life. Teaching to the student who doesn't have money for the education, giving the time to the sick people, helping the people to get married, helping the people during natural disaster, helping society by wealth. Now there is one more very important thing we have to do in the society. We can say that is also system part. We can include this one is system step number E. So now the system becomes 5 point. list of good things and bad things to understand. When we must have to understand what is good and what is bad. So this list will tell you what is the good things to do and what is the bad things to not to do. This you can, first you have to understand, then you have to spread this message. This is the few details. The more details you can prepare yourself. And for each individual, what is the good things to do and what is the bad things not to do. And for family, for society, for relation with other country, for business people, for government people, for nature. To understand these things, you can go to my website and you can see in full details. Your children, you people of the society must know, and these all things is logically and practically. If you go near to the flower, it will give a smell, fragrance, and if you touch the fire, it will burn you. So everyone has to understand this one. Now the headline number 8 is about founder, about myself and why I am going to do this work. And headline number 9 is disclaimer. That means what we don't want, what is not in our opinion. So now I am going to close my speech and I will see to the mail that how many people like this one, how many people don't like, and if don't like what we can do better. And as per my convenience, as per my time, I have written this system and spread this message through my website and through my YouTube channels. And if I get more time, then I will do something more to spread this message. If you need any discussion with me, you can write to mail ID the OWOC. My mail ID is OWOC909@gmail.com. People, we must have to work for the world peace. And if not work, whether you are having a good condition today, whole life, anytime, anything, any bad thing can be happen with you, with me, with everyone. So start from today and send me the message that you have started the work. With this hope, I am going to close my lecture, and thank you very much for your listening properly. Thank you.